So this is iOS. Okay, so whoever Apple user, you can download our app like this. It's not like embedded world. It is our vendor name. It's a Class Plus. Okay, so if you click on the Class Plus, the first one, so here it is like the blue color. It will be clear. There is nothing like this kind of thing. Okay, so Class Plus, you can download this. Yeah, it is downloaded. So after you download, you have to give the org id. Okay, so the organization id. Yeah, so I'll just give open, and yeah, whatever the notification, if you want, you can give allow or fine, whatever it is. Okay, then yeah, so the org id for the embedded world is, you can give dwjy. All right, and the mobile number, I can give like the same number. Can give, yeah, so I have given the mobile number, and I think I am a owner, right? So for me it will show differently, but for you it will be different. See here, you can this is the app, and in this app you can see like this. As of now, we have a two course. One is the premium course. Premium course contains all, and another only UDS and CAN protocol. So for both, the certification is available on certain time, like some 20 days or 30 days, like that. Okay, so this way you can explore, and like I'm not sure whether I can go inside. Yeah, I can go inside, and I can check the content also. So it is 97 videos are available now. These are all the things. See, I can see like this. So you can also download, and you can make use of it. All right, so this is, and one more thing, this is applicable. You can access this in the desktop also. You can give the same class app that I'll show you. Okay, so this is only for the iPhone, that is iOS users.